Hi guys! Welcome back to the Campbell's Creative Corner.
And today I'm collabing with...
Ashlyn!
We're going to be showing you guys 2 makeup tutorials.
By me and Sarah.
Yep.
I hope you love them, and also I just bought her some new unicorn brushes, which those are really cute and we're going to be using those in the video. And go look at her vlog.
Let's get into
To the video.
Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a natural everyday look. So let's get started. The first thing I'm using is the 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Clearing Perfector that's by BB Cream. It's my foundation and it's in 110 and it is from Walmart, so if you guys want to go get it, you guys can totally do that. Next thing I'm going to be using is concealer, and this is the Maybelline New York Superstar Better Skin, and I got it from Walmart as well. The next thing I'm using is this CoverGirl True Blend powder from Walmart with this unicorn brush from Ashlyn. This brush smells good.
Oh.
Yep, it smells really good. Okay, the next thing I'm using is this Jessie's Girl eyeshadow primer, and it looks like this, and it's from an Etsy bag. There we go. Then for eyeshadow, I'm using this In the Night Smoky Shades eyeshadow palette. It's from TJ Maxx. Yes, you guys have seen it before probably. And the colors I'm going to be using is, I'm using this color for my brow bone. And then I'm using this color for my crease and this color for just my eyelid. Now I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows with this eyebrow brush from Claire's. Then I'm using this Meryl Norman blush and this other unicorn brush. Then I'm using this Meryl Norman Liquid Shimmer. It's like a pretty highlighter color. Now I'm curling my eyelashes with this eyelash curler from Claire's. Next, I'm using this CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara that you can get at Walmart. Next, I'm using this Color Rich Balm that is from Kroger.
The look I'm going to be doing is more like the going out look. The first thing I will be using is BB Pure Cream, the same thing Sarah used. Second thing I will be using is concealer. And it's the same thing Sarah used. Okay, let's do this. The next thing I'll be using is powder, and right now at the moment I'm using LA Colors in the shade Nude. This is my backup one, it's the only one I have left, so I kind of gotta use it. The next thing I will be using is eyeshadow primer that I got from an Etsy bag. It's Jessie's Girl, and let's apply it. The next thing I would do is apply eyeshadow The palette I will be using is Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. And the color I will be using is this beautiful burnt orange. I will be applying it around like the upper crease just to give it that smoky effect. Then you want to start pulling the motion back into the front, but make sure you leave a space. And then you want to grab your other crease brush, grab the same color, and then start applying it around, and then pulling it in. But make sure you don't full apply it in the middle, because we're gonna do something with that. The next color you want to add is Cypress Umber. I think that's how you say it. I don't know, these names are really hard to pronounce. And then you're just gonna do the same thing you did. The same motion and everything. And then you're gonna get your crease brush and grab the letter and just do the same thing, but up in the crease. And they're loud. Okay, now I'm done with that. And now I'm gonna grab Vermeer, this really pretty sparkly color. I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. And I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. And now you wanna grab your blender and just blend it in. Okay. Now to the other eye. The next thing I will be using is mascara. I'm using this that's Rimmel London, and it's Wonderlash. Okay, the next thing I will be doing is blush. I'm going to be using this really pretty rosy tone right here with brush. And just do the same thing on the other cheek. The next thing I will be using is this bronzer. And the shade I will be using is the same one from the other one. You might want to do it a little bit lower where you put your blush. I mean, you don't have to, but honestly, for me, it just looks better. Okay. The next thing I will be using is some strobe powder, which is pretty much the same exact thing as highlight. The shade is in Champagne Sparkle. It's like a rosy tone. It's really pretty. So I'm just gonna grab the same brush and just pack it on. Yeah, I love highlighter. Oh! OMG. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna do, I don't like applying this with a brush because it just doesn't look as good. I just apply some on my nose. Sorry, I'm using a mirror. Okay. And then I put it right on my Cupid's bow. There, just like blended it. Okay. The next thing I will be using is a lip liner. It's the color of my, lipstick, matte lipstick. No, we didn't. Oh god, that looks so bad. Okay. I'll fix it. The next thing I will be using is this Dragon Look-alike Kylie Lip Kit. Thank you, Bobber. It's really pretty. My best friend ordered it for me. I asked her to. And it's almost the same. Oh my gosh, did I do this right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hope you guys liked that video.
And if you did, comment down below what you liked about it, if you're going to try out any of the makeup stuff, if you have any questions.
And if we forgot to list what we have, like the makeup product, just comment what it was and we will get back to you with it.
And if you guys have any suggestions for 2018, comment them down below because I need
2018's
some
already
ideas.
here.
I know, it's 2018.
And also, don't leave yet. The bloopers are coming.
Oh yes.
Okay, well, anyways, hope you liked the video. And our Instagrams will be linked down below. What? Bye! Oh, fudge. Okay.
I hope you guys.
What? Okay, the next thing I will be using is this really, really pretty champagne color. Well, champagne highlight. Champagne. Ah! The next thing I will be doing is applying my eyeshadow primer. I'm using Jessie's Girl, which I got from an eyeshadow.
Ashra.
No.
Ash.
No, that
Sash.
that is not gonna be our collab
Yeah,
name.
those are horrible collab names. Such an interesting face. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm using is this Jessie's Girl eyeshadow primer, and it looks like this, and it was from an supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.